Got you, king. Yo, nothing to lose. Mentality is beastly. Raised amongst the most ferocious. Life wasn't easy. Slinging them stones, banging them toasters. Nobody cares. Neither did I, cause my father left me to fry in this hell of a world with straight bullets to snipe ya. Generals look for soldiers with hearts so they can stripe ya. Dirty dope fiends, that's evil. They got the needle twitch. Veins are polluted. They zooted, dozing off of that fix. Good riddance. Them killers, they came and pinched them. It stopped his cash flow. No ifs, ands, or buts. He gotta go. He got what he deserved. If it was me, I would've clipped his whole family. Understand me? It's real, son. Life is a hustle, the struggle is all real. When there's nothing in the kitchen to eat, you gotta kill. Am I wrong for that? My family gotta eat by any means. Which means if I gotta spray this machine and body bag something, toe tag something, creep through the hood silently and spaz on you without a warning. It's like that, my rank is official. Pearl handle pistols, I'm serious. Business is strictly who got an issue. I need that duffel bag action so I could transform the poverty ways into the main attraction. But yo, life will throw you all kinds of situations. It's a full-time job trying to dodge incarceration. Click.